How to direct messages on Instagram without following a private account. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open Instagram, log into your account, then go to search bar and search for the person's private account you want to message. After that, simply click on their profile. You'll find 3 dots on top right corner of your screen. Click on 3 dots on top right corner of your screen. In here, below QR code, you'll find send message. Click on send message. From here, you can simply directly send message. And this is how to direct message on Instagram without following a private account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.